Shri Shankar Iyer, Director, VBU, Transportation, Smart Cities, Sustainability, Building Technologies and Solutions, Johnson Controls India. With over 28 years in business leadership, Shri Shankar spearheads smart city and sustainable transport solutions at Johnson Controls. Previously, he held senior roles at Indus Towers, Titan, Diageo, and Vodafone. Prior to Johnson's Control, Mr. Iyer was the Chief Marketing Officer and Regional Director, West and South at Indus Towers Limited, a joint venture of Airtel and Vodafone India. He has held various strategic positions across leading companies like Titan, Diageo, Coca-Cola, Paramount Airways, Vodafone, and his broad experience spans sales, marketing, and business operations. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Shri Shankar Iyer for his presentation.
Thank you for being here. I have been here last year, same place, almost the same time. We're fortunate to present in front of all of you. Thanks to Ashok Goel and the entire team here putting this organized event here. I represent Johnson Controls. Johnson Controls Worldwide is a company which is known to many. In India, our presence is there for the last couple of decades. We've been a company trying to grow our businesses with the portfolio of products, services, the applications, and the solution provided, what you need to give it to the end consumer on his fingertip or her fingertip to operate. So given that, 140-year-old company, in 130 countries our company operates. I must say that the first HVAC, the thermostat, has been invented by our founder. The company's origin started from there. So as an HVAC product, whatever you say today, the first thermostat came in from this organization. And that's the legacy of this organization here. Coming to the company at a glance, as I said, we have active patents of about 9,200 patents. We are the world's largest, I would say, the manufacturer and also a system integrator for not only for our products, but also for any of the products where in India, if we need to meet an L1 category, we don't shy away from purchasing others' products, make sure that we integrate with our products and that products. From the energy efficiency point of view, any building management solution when we go, can we give all the elements from fire, safety, security products along with the HVAC? I'm sure many of you know, when you sit here in this room, the air conditioning consumes about 40 to 45% of the entire energy. So the carbon emission is one among the goals for this organization, and we're happy to say that a lot of emissions globally we've been able to address as a building management solution company. In India, proud to say we have close to about 8,500 employees work. Almost about 3/4 of the organization worldwide, the finance, the innovation, and the back-end support for the OpenBlue as a platform actually happens from India, and we are proud to say that employment of about 9,000 plus people have been given in this organization. Our engineering centers, our business offices, and we are a 24/7 company here operating for many of the world footprint. Why am I here in front of you? The topic which we got discussed here is the improving energy, the emergency readiness, and ensuring what is it that we can do to the high-risk rail environments. I just have put some public information and also some of the information what we can look at the recommendation. On my left, the key challenges what we have today, I will go with just the last point because time is so precious. Critical for national mobility and economic stability is one among the aspects which all of us are here to look at for the for our country, being a developing and developed country when it happens. Some of the mishaps and the accidents which are in the arena, what has happened in the past, God forbid nothing should happen in the future. So we need to be really looking at what can be done to reduce and mitigate such accidents which are happening. Given that, what is it that we can do to look at the PDCA, which I kind of put together, how can we mitigate, prepare, respond, and recover from it? Having said that, we as a company have done our footprint in a couple of places. How can we give metro segments and the railway segment the entire building management solution of it, which will be in the next slide. Given that, the recommendation, what we are saying is, how do we try and integrate the infrastructure, technology, people, and most importantly, the policies of the government of each of those state and central what is getting operated. Mainly, measure, then improve the readiness for the resilience, what needs to be done. Having said, what are the infrastructure? We must say that many aspects are being done by our government and people like us sitting here as manufacturers and policymakers, as well as the development from the project and product development team who are sitting. Two examples I would like to say here is this Prayagraj work, what has been done by the Northern Railways during the recent instance which happened. I think they've done a fantastic job of managing the high network of people walking into that and then managing it. The other one which I could see is the Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor, which is happening, and they've been doing a very good job, and we see that focus is happening from the resilience point of view. That's what I would like to address upon here. As Johnson Controls, we have the ability to pick the entire gamut of that, either a railway station or a metro, standing up there and then offering all the products what we have and the solutions which we have to be given for. The picture is a self-explanatory, so I'm not going to read anything from there. Therefore, the company today, in 4 segments, we have HVAC, we have control, we have fire, and the security products. So the products first, when it is available here, how do we try and make sure that the sensorizations of that is being done, and then that gets transferred into a platform which is called OpenBlue. This OpenBlue platform, the advantage for us is we not only are able to bring our own product connected, the other competitive products which are available in the market also can be connected. So when we walk into a building and when we assess the market of that place, what needs replacement, if the existing products are available and can we spruce up that and then connect it to our OpenBlue, it is definitely possible for us, and that's what we do, and reduce the CapEx or the OpEx expenditure for that customer. Given that, convert it into an application, whether it is energy management required, whether it is threat identification required, whether it is assets which are required to be health management which needs to be required, and of course, the predictive maintenance of that what is to be done. And that can be given in the mobile platform for all the customers, whether it is from the administrative wing or to the wing of even R&D, whatever they are doing from the products. I just put, last year when we were standing here, we were looking at what is the kind of market share each of these companies are having and me. So I'm proud to say that we have a single-digit market share here in many places, whether it is HVAC, and when I look at the fire suppressant and the fire detection product, we are having a 5 to 7% market share. And these are, internally, we have assessed these with our competition, where we are and what is it that we need to do. And these, when I look at on the right-hand side, this portion is really attracting, and that's why every year Shri Ashok brings all of us together here to look at how can we try and get this 750 billion and the investments of what is happening between 2019, 2023, and the next 10 years, what it can be. So 6th edition will become 20th edition over a period of time. And that's the JCA present. And we also see from the market public information, 5.2% of this growth is definitely possible for all of us to capture the opportunity there. With that, what is the kind of products I have? As I mentioned, Tyco is the brand which is in terms of the fire safety security product. York is the #1 chiller in the world with high efficiency and carbon emission footprint we can give better than anybody in the country. Simplex is the other products segment which we have. Security products we have, and equally, when I spoke about the OpenBlue as a platform, we are able to connect everybody together. Some of the examples here, I would like to say that here is the examples of outside country footprint. I'm happy to say when I spoke last time here, we were dealing and trying to get the winning opportunity of the speed train, what is now getting built at the Ahmedabad, the depot. Happy to say that Tyco products are actually going to be put there. Next year, probably I will have the reference point put here for India as well. Finally, these are our companies who are giving the bread and butter. And I would request wherever we have the opportunity from your side, we'll be happy to receive calls from all of you. And we would be happy to come and visit you and sell our solutions, products, and services to all of you. Thank you very much.